The WYSOKA wind farm consists of 22 Nordex N90 2.5 megawatt machines. The wind farm is split into 2 separate wind farms, 3 machines for WYSOKA 1 and 19 machines for WYSOKA 2.
E.ON collaborated with a number of different contractors in order to deliver the WYSOKA project. Civil and electrical works were carried out by a company called Mega, while the turbines were supplied and erected by Nordex.
The reason we chose this site because it has a nice flat terrain, good overall wind resource and a suitable road network for delivering component parts. When constructing the wind farm, the first construction element is to get the access roads in place. The access roads to all the turbine locations in order to start the foundation works.
To be able to build a wind turbine, we need a stable support, and here the foundations comes in. The foundation is casted by 480 square meters of concrete, reinforced concrete with 69 tons of reinforced steel within.
The diameter of each foundation was 17.5 meters, supported underneath by a set of piles.
The reason why we have piles is that the geotechnical conditions in this project made us choose this solution.
Each foundation had a total of 24 piles.
The piles measures in between 14 and 28 meters in length and 62 centimeters in width. If you add together all the piles in this project, you come to quite a significant figure of 528 piles.
Once access roads were completed, work started on the installation of the electrical cables. These underground cables carry the generated power from the wind turbines to the NEO grid system.
As with all E.ON projects, health, safety and the environment is of paramount importance.
Bezpieczeństwo pracy było bardzo ważne dla całego projektu i dla całego zespołu. Staraliśmy się to uzyskać dzięki cotygodniowym audytom bezpieczeństwa.
As project manager, one of my key objectives was to ensure we had the diverse cultural differences brought together so we created one team where we shared the same goals and objectives.
During the project, a number of team-building events were held. These included barbecues, tug-of-war and a football tournament.
Głównym problemem była siła uderzeniowa transportu, która była widoczna w każdym miejscowości Boleszkowice, gdzie było największe natężenie związane z budową drogi czy dróg, które musiały powstać, jak również całej konstrukcji, która musiała być też budowana, dlatego to był ogromny ciężar, z którym się zderzyli mieszkańcy pod względem kurzu, częstotliwości transportu, jak również hałasu, ale wszyscy wyszliśmy z tego obronną ręką.
Transportation was key with this project. Due to local legislation, the turbine components could only be transported at night with a police escort. The Nordex turbines were manufactured in Rostock, Germany. Each turbine arrives on site in 12 basic elements: the external transformer cubicle, 5 tower sections, 3 blades, a hub, a nacelle, and the main drivetrain.
During the project there is a lot of heavy lifting activities. To ensure these are carried out in a safe and controlled manner, planning prior to any lift is of key importance.
To erect each turbine on site required the use of 2 large mobile cranes. The main lifting crane, rated at 500 tons, was used for the lifting of the major components. A second 150-ton crane was used in tandem to assist in manoeuvring the tower sections and rotor blades. The combined weight of the 5 tower sections is 280 tonnes. The nacelle houses all the generating components and weighs 100 tonnes. The nacelle is placed onto the top tower section in 2 lifts. Firstly, the nacelle shell is lifted, followed by the main drivetrain. Finally, the 3 blades are bolted onto the hub on the ground, and then the whole structure, weighing approximately 57 tonnes, is lifted and secured to the main drivetrain. For easier access to the nacelle for maintenance work, all turbines are equipped with a service lift and an internal ladder.
Here we are in the nacelle. Outside here we have 3 blades connected to the main shaft. These parts are rotating, and connected to the main shaft we have the drivetrain itself that goes through the whole nacelle. The first major part of this drivetrain is the gearbox. The gearbox has a brake. Further down the line we have the couplung, and last but not least the generator. The generator gets cooled by the cooling system, which is based on a water cooling system.
The WYSOKA wind farm is connected to the ENIA distribution network at Debno. In order to facilitate this connection, a new substation was constructed. The generated power from the wind farm is carried back to the switches within the new substation via a network of 30 kilovolt underground cables. From the switches, the power then goes through a 63 MVA power transformer, which steps up the voltage from 30 to 110 kilovolt. A 110 kilovolt underground cable then connects the wind farm to the point of connection, which is located within the Debno transformer station. During the construction process, a purpose-built compound was established. From this compound, the whole project was coordinated.
On reflection, and despite the early cultural differences, we have delivered a project that's on time and, most importantly, safely.
It's been great working in this project. I have colleagues from all over Europe, from countries like the UK, from Germany, from Sweden, where I come from, and from Poland, of course. And to be a part of this team, to make this joint effort, to make the project finished, is something I'm really proud of.
Znaczy, cieszę się ogromnie, że jesteśmy wszyscy chyba zadowoleni i chciałbym też ten sukces, bo to uważam za sukces w tak małej gminie, wykorzystać dla przyszłości i służę tutaj pełni swoim zaangażowaniem, żeby jak najbardziej to przełożyło się na promowanie tego typu formy pozyskiwania energii dla innych samorządów, żeby nie bały się i czerpały z tego tylko pozytywy. I jest to alternatywa do przyszłości, może nie na dzień dzisiejszy, ale jako przyszłość. I dlatego jest najlepszym rozwiązaniem i dlatego patrzę na to, że jak nam się udało to wykonać w tak krótkim, błyskawicznie czasie, tak potężną inwestycję, to ten następny etap może być już tylko szybszy i lepszy. Także to jest taka moja prośba, żeby nie zaprzepaścić to, co w Polsce dopiero zaczyna kiełkować. Także jestem z tego bardzo zadowolony.
The main construction works for the WYSOKA wind farm was completed in October 2013. The wind farm is now generating enough power to supply approximately 57,000 homes for the next 25 years.
For me, working on the WYSOKA project has been a very good experience. I've enjoyed getting to know the different people, understanding and appreciating different cultures, and I'm very proud of what we've all achieved here.